Hi lovelies, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I want us to look at some of the benefits of lemongrass tea, and in my country we call it fever grass. I would love to know where you're watching from and what name you guys call lemongrass in your country. Just drop it in the comment section, and also if you have any question, drop your question in the comment section. Your questions will be answered. If you're just seeing me for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. It is completely free. So without wasting time, let's dive into this video. Scientifically, lemongrass is known as Cimbopogon citrusis, and it belongs to the family of Poaceae. And also it is a fragrant long-living plant which is originated from Asia, and it has this citrus-like scent. So now I'm going to share the top 5 benefits of lemongrass tea. As I earlier said, that in my country we call it fever grass because it can be used to achieve a good night sleep. Maybe if you are stressed during the day and you want to achieve a good night's sleep, what they are going to do is to get this fresh lemongrass, boil it and drink it. You sleep like a baby. And secondly, it help relieve pains and also boost immunity. It help relieve pains and also boost immunity. According to study published in the Journal of Agriculture and Food Chemistry, lemongrass tea contain several antioxidants which can help scavenge free radicals in the body that may cause diseases. Lemongrass tea is also a good alternative remedy for stomach upset, stomach cramping, constipation, and other digestive problems. Lemongrass may also be effective against gastric ulcer, and lemongrass contain antimicrobial properties. Because of the antimicrobial properties in it, it may help treat oral infection and cavities. And last, lemongrass tea has been traditionally used as a pain reliever and fever reducer. So I can attest to this, the pain reliever and the fever, because when we were a bit younger, and if you're having fever or pains, if you're having fever, our mom will get this lemongrass, they will boil it, they'll strain it, they'll give us the tea and we take it. The next day we repeat the same thing. And sometimes she will boil it and pour it inside our bathing bucket. Then she'll cover us wrapper while the vapor will penetrate to our body. It is very good. And lemongrass is very, very nice tea with citrus like scent. So guys, that's the end of today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also share this video to your friends and to your loved ones, or to your Facebook group, your Instagram group, so it will reach to many others. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video.